Hi, this is Arman from Gea. Gea aims to bring the clarity, cadence, and the ergonomics of web development into the world of embedded engineering. Gea achieves this by compiling your TypeScript, JSX, and CSS into C++ so that it can run on many targets. Now, one of those targets is macOS. And previously, we have seen how we can build this Apple Notes clone by using JSX and CSS and achieve this native Mac application that uses native Mac APIs under the hood. But what if you need more granular control? What if you'd like to program with those Mac APIs? I'm talking about NSUI views, NSColor, NSFont, NSImage. Now, Gea also gives you the ability to work directly with those classes inside TypeScript. Let's see how. Previously, we shared that every single app in Gea starts with a component. In this case, that's not correct. You can directly import any class you'd like from AppKit and just use those classes imperatively to build your user interfaces and your applications, just like you would in Objective-C or Objective-C++ or Swift. In fact, Gea includes a very nice way of building declarative UIs, just like SwiftUI, by combining those primitives into structures that you can repeat. Now, this is a complete novel way of building Mac applications, not by writing Swift, but writing TypeScript and compiling it natively to a macOS application. Visit geastack.com for more information.